Hello guys, what's up and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I will be showing you all the ways you can get dice in Monopoly Go. So first of all, you can get dice by several means, mainly by playing the game. If you complete your board, guys, you can get dice from that, or you can get dice from several rewards, for example surprise cards and things like that. Another way you can get dice as well is by going to the shops on the left side of your screen. As you can see, you can actually spend real money and buy dice if you are missing some for your rolls. Another way you can do that is by doing events such as Bavarian Adventures in the middle of the screen. As you can see, for completing it, you get a large amount of dice, and doing challenges like that also helps. You can also go down in the bottom left of your screen, guys, on the wins tab, and whenever you actually complete one of the quick wins, you will also get a dice reward as well. Another way you can also do it is if you invite your friends, for example through your contacts. As you can see, every contact that actually accepts your invite will give you 30 dice. Another way you can also do it is if you go in the top right on the three lines, click that, you will get to this menu, click on settings and click on connect your account. If, for example, you aren't connected to Facebook, I am. However, if you are not, you can click that and receive a dice reward, guys. Those are some of the ways that you can do to actually collect dice. There are many more ways, however, you'll discover them all by playing the game. These are just the most simple. I hope you had fun. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.